Jain students, this is the next video, part 7 of National Income chapter. So we will be discussing here about income method. So what is income method? Income method measures national income generated among 4 sectors of production in the form of wages, rent, interest and profit in exchange for their factor services. Steps for estimating it is identification of producing enterprises, classifying factor payments. So what is the identification of producing enterprises? So we have 3 sectors of our economy: primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. So classifying factor payments means what are the factor payments? So what are the factor payments? Compensation of employees. So under that factor payment means whatever comes: wages in cash, wages in kind and employers contribution to social security schemes. So these and all come under compensation of employees. Okay, so we will be seeing one chart. Under that you will be understanding it. So next is operating surplus. Sometimes in the question directly operating surplus will be given instead of split ups. If split ups is there, there will be the following forms. That is, first you may be having rent. Then it is the income received from what factor services. We can say rent. Royalty. Royalty means, as I told you, some thing has to be paid or somebody has the right to give that product. So that is royalty. Then interest, then profit. In the profit, the several divisions are there: dividends, corporate and corporate savings. Dividends, you know that, distributed among the shareholders. Profits distributed among shareholders. Corporate tax, you know, it is the tax on profits which is paid to the government. So these are the income received to the government. So as I told you that it's a income method. So in the national income we had studied what and all things we are using for the finding national income, determination of national income chapter, that is C plus S. So we will be including the savings also if we have. So we are taking these and all things. So next is mixed income of self-employed. Mixed income of self-employed means what? That is income of own account workers like farmers, doctors, barbers, etc. That is who are having own work or shop like that. So that is known as mixed income of self-employed. So symbolically, as I taught you in the last class, we have to find NDP FC first in national in income method. So you have to find NDP FC. What you are finding, that is known as NDP FC, that is net domestic product at a factor cost. That is each factor how much it is contributing. So that is known as what? Net domestic product at a factor cost. So compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income comes under net domestic income at factor cost. Then how will you convert to national income? What is the notation of national income? NNP FC. So it's equal to, you can see here that this N and this N and this N are same. So there is no change. So you have to only change this DP to NP. So that is domestic product to what? National product. So how will you change? Plus NFI. Factor cost and factor cost both are same. So no change is there. So only this much is to be changed here. So just see one chart. So here you can just see the components of a national income with the income method. So with income method, we will be just seeing what compensation of employees. The government will give compensation for the employees. So the compensation, that is factor in the form of factor payments. So your compensation of employees has been divided into 4. So in your question, on as together in single word compensation of employees will be given, then you can take this this value and write it and do it. Otherwise it will be splitted like this. So if this word is given, the compensation of employees COE is given and the split ups are also given, you should only take COE. Otherwise it will be double counting. Okay, it will be included here. This 4 split ups will be included in COE. So what are the 4 split ups? Wages and salaries in cash, wages and salaries in kind, employers contribution in social security, then pensioners benefit on retiring. So these on all we are giving for the employers as compensation, you know that. So these are the payment given. So next we will be next component is operating surplus. So operating surplus is also divided into 4. So which and all? Rent, royalty, interest and profit. So rent means what? If we have a land, we will be paying some return that as rent. So that is rent. So royalty, royalty means what? That is royalty means we will told you copyrights or so any single person has the right to sell that product. So that is royalty. Then interest. So interest is a factor income generated from ownership of land or capital. Next not the capital. Next profit. Profit means factor income generated by entrepreneurs. So these are the factor income. So what are the factors of production? Land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. So you know that. So profit can be divided into which and all parts? 4 parts. That is a profit of sole proprietors and partnership firms. So then dividend paid, distributed among shareholders. The amount which has been distributed among shareholders come under dividend. Then you can say that some money will be undistributed. So it is known as undistributed profits. Next is corporate taxes, or otherwise it is known as corporate savings. So these are undistributed profits that have been retained. So this is corporate that we have a what paying for the for them in the form for the government in the form of taxes and all, or some retained amount that have been paid back. So this is known as what? Profit. Under profit it comes. Next we will be seeing that is here mixed income. So another factor is mixed income. So these are the components that we have to see for income method, these 3. So otherwise it will be given in this split ups. So if operating surplus directly given, you can take operating surplus and calculate operating surplus, and these 4 dimensions are also given. Then you have to only take operating surplus. Don't take these dimensions. If it is not given, you can just take these dimensions and add. Next mixed income, it will be given mixed income. So under profit also there is division. So if profit directly given, you can take, otherwise add the divisions. Just see some problems, we will be doing it. So here we can understand from the question itself what is the method. So we can see here rent, royalty, wages, etc. is given. So we can understand from this that it is income method. So how will you calculate? So if in the initial point of view, you you have to find NDP-FC. So NDP-FC, how it is calculated. So what is the formula for that? That is NDP-FC is equal to COE plus OS plus MI. You know that. So what is COE? COE has been given in division as wages and salary one amount, and employers contribution, then rent or this becomes which one? This becomes this is only become what? COE. Next, OS is not directly given, it's given in split up, so you have to add and find it. So rent plus royalty plus interest plus profit is given, then mixed income is given directly as 1000. So you can solve it. So what is the answer? It's equal to that's 800 plus 200 plus 1400 plus 200 plus 1500 plus 500, then plus 1000, then it's added, then 1000, it becomes 1000 plus 3600 plus again 1000, so it's equal to 5600. So it's the same question from your textbook. Hope you understood. This is also a question given from your textbook. Calculate national income is the question. So at first, as usual, you have to find NDP-FC. So it's equal to COE plus OS plus MI. But here you can see that two values have been accumulated and calculated together. So you do it, if you add these values, it will become double counting. So you can directly take the income from domestic product accruing to private sector and income from domestic product accruing to government sector. So you can just add these two and you can find the answer. So if these terms are given, you can directly take these terms and calculate and find it, the NDP-FC. So adding these two, you will be getting 95,000. Next, what is the formula for NNP-FC? NNP-FC is equal to, what is the formula? So you have to just add, that is, you have to change the domestic product to national product. So just add NFIA. So NDP-FC plus NFIA is the answer. So how will you calculate? Is equal to, we had founded it 95,000 NDP-FC plus plus you have not given the direct value of this NFIA, so it's given FIFA minus theta you have to do. So you can minus 10,000, that is from abroad, from abroad and to abroad you have to subtract and you will be finding it. So bracket, in brackets you have to write 10,000 minus 6,000. So is equal to 95,000 plus 4,000. So what is the answer? It's 99,000. This is another question from your textbook. So first you have to find NDP-FC, COE plus OS plus MI. COE is given directly as 2000. Then rent plus OS is not given directly. So you have to just add the split ups, rent plus profit plus interest plus, and then you will be getting 400 plus 900 plus 500 plus, then you have to add 7,000 MI. Then you will be getting 10,800 at last. Here NNP-FC is to be found, that is national income. NDP-FC is equal plus NFIA is the formula, so equal to 10,800 minus 50. Minus 50 is NF, that is net factor income. to abroad. If NFIA is
not given, so you have to calculate minus 50. So 10,800 minus 50, 10,750 you will get. Then other terms given in the questions are simply to divert your ideas. So don't take that values and all. Okay, thank you, hope you understood. Thank you.